Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon account from desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar click over there and type in amazon.com like this and simply hit enter, or you can just search for Amazon login on Google like this. Both ways you will be landing on the same page. You can see the first page is of the Amazon's official, and let's click there, and we are opening the same site over here as too. So basically now you can see the sign in pop up over here. Now to sign in to your Amazon account, click over there and enter your email or mobile number over here and click on continue. And on the next phase you will be asked to enter your password over there and continue with the sign in process like this. And if you have not created an Amazon account yet, just click over here to create your Amazon account. And there guys, this is how you sign into your Amazon account. If you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.